Hello, receive a cordial greeting from me. My name is Joanna Pauline, and today I will be talking about a great woman who has left a great positive mark on Dominican education, which is Salome Oreña. In the first place, the objective that we have with this video is to be able to present valuable information about Salome Oreña and to be able to tell what has been her impact on Dominican education. Who was Salome Oreña? Salome Oreña Díaz de Enrique was a Dominican poet and educator, being one of the central figures of lyrical poetry of the 19th century, and an innovator in the education of women in her country, Dominican Republic. How did she positively impact education? She was a pioneer of formal female education in the country and founder of the first female secondary school in the country that trained the first normal teachers. He always fought for the equality of women and men and made women have access to superior education in our country. Thank you very much for your attention. Without a doubt, Salome Oreña was a great woman and we have a lot to learn from her. Thank you.